Block caving is an underground mining technique used to mine large, massive, low-grade ore bodies, such as the deposits at North Parkes. The ore to be extracted is in the shape of a large irregular block, which can be up to 500 meters in height and several hundred meters in length. The development stage at North Parkes began by gaining access to the ore body with a gently sloping tunnel called the decline and a vertical shaft. The shaft is used to carry mined ore to the surface. The decline is used to transport people and equipment into the mine and to provide fresh air to the mine. The decline and other drives are created by drilling and blasting using a machine called a jumbo. All tunnels are supported by rock bolts and shotcrete to ensure they are safe. After the access is created, a series of parallel extraction drives are developed from one side of the ore body to the other. Between the extraction drives, drawbells are developed. The undercut level is developed at the same time as the extraction drives. Rings of drill holes are charged and fired from one side of the ore body to the other. The drawbells are drilled and blasted to become a series of funnels that will feed the broken ore to a draw point. This process breaks a layer of rock across the bottom of the block of ore and leaves a large unsupported area which starts fracturing and caving under its own weight. The ore body starts to cave once the undercut is complete and ore is removed from the drawbells, creating a void. Once the development is complete and the ore body has been undercut, the mining process is relatively simple, with continual fracturing and breaking of the rocks to smaller rocks for extraction, without any further blasting. Special low-profile load-haul dump vehicles collect the broken ore from the draw points and dump it in the underground crusher. The crusher breaks it down into smaller pieces which are then loaded onto a conveyor, transported to an ore skip and hoisted via the vertical shaft to the surface to be processed at the mill. The block cave ultimately breaks through to the surface and a subsidence zone is formed. Over time, and as more ore is extracted from the cave below, the subsidence zone deepens and widens. One of the innovations at North Parkes is automated loading, which was introduced in 2011. Instead of having miners deep under the ground driving the loaders, they work from the surface, controlling the loaders by remote control, making it safer for the miners.